Hi guys, Chris Hughes here, dietitian and founder of MEALZEE. This week's recipe of the week is a really simple dish that I like and I do eat often. It's just a bruschetta, but it's made on low carb bread. And if you haven't tried this bread, you can get it at all the major supermarkets. It's quite delicious. It is a deep, grainy bread. It doesn't toast well, and that's probably the only caveat, is that it doesn't toast well, because when you toast bread, it's the carbohydrate that burns. But because there's next to no carb in it, it doesn't brown that well. It's really high in fibre, really high in protein. So Woolworths have a version, Coles have a version, Aldi has a version. They're usually labelled at something like 85% lower carb, so they're quite good. But they're a great simple one that really gets your protein up and your carbs down, which is not what you normally typically expect from bread. So in this recipe, it's only about 300 calories roughly, 1,237 kilojoules, 6 grams of carbs, so next to nothing, 9 grams of fibre. So if you're aiming for the suggested dietary target for women of 28 grams, that's a big chunk, or for men 38 grams, still a big chunk. And it's only got 34 grams of sodium in it, so it's quite low in sodium. Again, remember, you're trying to stay under about 2,000 a day, so this is a really good start if you're having this for breakfast or if you're having it even for a snack. And so what I'll do is just quickly show you. So if you can see that, it might be a bit small, but it's really simple. It just has tomatoes, some fresh basil, balsamic vinegar, a bit of olive oil, but I use the garlic infused olive oil. I've always got that on hand. A little bit of avocado, and then some of the low carb, high protein bread. Now you could double these ingredients and make 2 slices. That would be fine as well. But yeah, you can see there it's low lactose, low GI, dairy free, keto friendly, which is good, vegan, and it's really simple. You can throw it together in no time. But look at the color from it. It's a really delicious dish, packed full of goodies. So yeah, recipe of the week, guys. If you want this one, let me know and we can send it through. Thanks.